this looks way too shitty for it to have taken. See, I can't even talk. Let's try that again. This setup looks way too shitty for it to have taken me as long as it did. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's a channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys. Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with look. What I do when I go out, or just night out with the girls, or what? Okay, no, not night out with the girls. That's probably what I'm gonna title this video, actually. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a new video. Obviously, I am here showing you my night out look. Tonight we're going out for my best friend's birthday. We are going to a new restaurant in Vancouver. It's called Hydra. I don't know. It's something like that. I can't normally pronounce things, so don't quote me on it. I believe it's spelled Hydra, not that that matters to you at all. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Just to prime my lips, I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs, just this little lip scrub here. So I'm not going to do any foundation today. What I'm going to do is throw on some concealer and then some of my cream contour and just go from there. I got pretty tanned while I was away, so I'm a little bit nervous that this might just be like totally not my skin tone. I got to go back to Sephora and figure that out ASAP. So I'm just gonna use, it's gonna be so bright. All right. Just gonna blend that out. Oh, I cannot take myself seriously, it's so white. All right, I'm gonna do something right away to try to fix this. I'm going to take that Anastasia one that I got in my haul last video, and I'm going to just put it an inch in, just like that. And then I'm gonna leave the darker shade for the top of my forehead. So I pretty much match it to the top of my ear, and I bring it down, but you want to always make sure that you blend up. And then I'm going to take, because I definitely need some warmth in here, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toast. So I'm just going to apply that further down. And then I'm also going to apply on my forehead. I feel like this I might need to put on a little bit. It's the Tarte Rainforest Sea Water Foundation. It's really bright, and I think some of my burn's still popping through. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. I don't want it to get too cakey, so I'm just gonna add it just below my eyes, and then I'll blend it up. I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just take another sort of contour brush. I really like this one from the Real Techniques. I use it for the white powder in the Kat Von D shade in Light palette. And I'm just gonna directly put that underneath my eye. And usually I would like bring it down and stuff, but nope. I do not need any more brightness in there, so. And instead of going into the the shade here, which is more the shadow shade, I'm just gonna go straight into the bronzing shade. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face, which normally I'm a lot more careful with. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put on some blush because now I'm just really tanned. I'm gonna take the Tarte Party. I don't think I have much of this left, but use what I have. Just focus it on the apples of my cheeks, and then maybe bring it up a little bit on the nose. You guys know. Make it look like I've been in the sun all day. Even though I was at work. Last with the powder on the face, I'm gonna just take my highlighter brush and I'm going to take the Natasha Denona Super Glow. And I'm going to just dust that on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some brows. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow in number 2. I just like this little brush that it comes with. And I'll begin. My brows actually don't take me that long. I feel like probably because I do them wrong. I feel like everyone that does their brows say they take forever. And mine are just like a mess, I guess. What I'm going to do next is I'm not gonna do, I don't feel like doing like eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna grab the fluffiest brush I have and I'm going to grab the Hoola Benefit. I just like this, how the shade looks on my eyes, and then I'm just gonna put that all over. Throw on some wing liner. One thing that worries me about this liner is it's so stiff compared to like the Stila. I'm gonna grab the lash, the lash curler. The reason I keep looking at the camera is I tried a new setting so that, because I realized like when I was going in and out, it kept going white, like the white balance, which was really irritating. So I think this setting's working. I don't know, let me know. Let me know below if it is. And I don't feel like lipstick today, so I'm just gonna throw on that Essence Shine, Shine, Shine in Happiness in a Bottle. I mean, red would look cute with this too, but just can't be bothered with red lipstick. Guys, well, that is it. This is just a quick night out, dinner, whatever. Just keep patting this until you have to leave, just to make sure all your makeup stays together and stays nice. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.